Hello everyone, this is Donna from Shabby Chic, Pretty and Sweet, and I just wanted to share with you ladies the project that I did today that will be available on my Etsy shop and in Craft Supply D-Stash. This is a good way to use up your books. I went through, tore the pictures out that I needed out of this book, and had it on a shelf sitting there for well over a year. So today I pulled it out, decided to fold the pages into the shape of a bird cage, and I decorated it and have this beautiful bird cage with a beautiful little resin bird, little paper flowers. Let me get that glue out of there. A couple of bridal appliques, some pearls, lace. I covered the inside with cardstock and cut out a little place here for the little bird. There is a YouTube video that is similar to this one that I watched. That's where I got the idea from. I will have to go back and find it to put the link below if I can. But it's very shabby chic, very pretty, and this is what it looks like so far. This all hangs. It is made so that it can hang, or it can go onto a plate stand. But I just love it. I love the way that it came out. I love the way that it looks, and I will be selling it. Isn't it just beautiful? Look at the little birdie in there in the house. And the back is just a book. I may go back and put some fabric on the back. I haven't decided, but there you have it. That is today's project that I did. I think that's the only one that I did today. Yes, that's the only one. And I just love the way that it came out. It's very shabby chic, very pretty. I'm still pulling hot glue strings out of it. But I love the way it came out. It's very pretty, very beautiful. Looks great hanging on the wall. Just very lovely. So that's it for today. I thank you. Thanks for letting me share. Please subscribe. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to my Facebook group, Shabby Chic, Pretty and Sweet. Over there we have lots of things going on. We are a growing group. We are growing rapidly. I believe we have challenges planned for almost every month. At least one per month, and I will be mailing out prizes for those. And I may make one of these as a prize. Haven't decided yet. But they are actually easy to make, simple to make, very time consuming. It does take time. But they're easy and they're fun to make. And a way to use up those books after we pull the pages out with the pictures and no longer want the book. So there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful birdhouse. I thank you. Have a nice night. And God bless. And bye-bye.